Hey, what's going on, Lions? Coach T. Let's go ahead and get right to our PE activity today. It's going to be kind of silly, but at the same time, I think it's going to be really, really funny. So you may have heard of this already, you may have not, but I want to see you guys send in some videos because this challenge is going to be hilarious if you have the right equipment. Now, what you need for this challenge. Okay. Ideally, you would like some whipped cream. Okay. If you don't have whipped cream, okay, don't go run out to the market to get some. Okay. It's just something fun for you to do. All right. If you don't have whipped cream, you could use something like a cracker. So you could use maybe like a Cheez-It or something, or M&M or marshmallow. Basically anything that you can kind of balance on your wrist, okay, or your hand. Because you're going to try to flip something up and you're going to try to catch it in your mouth. All right? So, more like a fun activity for you to do. And again, I want to see videos of this, all right, because this is going to be quite funny. All right? So, I'm going to do it here first so you can see me and see if I can do this. All right? Now, here's what you got to do if you have whipped cream. Number one, give it a good shake. All right? Take that whipped cream, just do a little bit on your wrist, just like that. All right, pretty easy. Now, what you're gonna do is you're gonna lower that arm, okay, and you're gonna use your other arm to kind of hit and stop your arm so that it gets the whipped cream to fly up into the air, and you're gonna try to catch it, all right, in your mouth. You ready? All right, here we go. All right, let's go this way. Ready? Just like that. All right? And if you get it in your mouth, that's like a victory in itself. All right? Nice job. Okay? I want to see you try that. All right? Let's see if you can get it in your mouth. All right? Here we go. It's really good. All right. Cheez-It. Okay, let's try the other arm. Wrist. Okay, wrist. Drop that arm a little bit. Ready? Ah! I missed. All right. Now, if you get whipped cream on the floor, okay, whose responsibility is it to clean it up? Yours. All right. Not mom or dad. Your responsibility. All right. So make sure you clean that up. All right. So that's just another fun activity for you to do. All right. I want to see who can do this. Okay. Here's our second activity. This is a challenge. All right. That we're going to do a little timer. Okay. So I'm going to put this down a little bit so you can see. All right. So what I did is I took my measuring tape here. Okay, and I placed it on the floor just so I can measure out about 10 feet. Okay, so you want to measure about 10 feet. All right, if you can't, maybe ask mom or dad to help you out with that. All right, and because that's what you want. That's the amount of space that you want for this activity. Okay, so this is going to be called the pillowcase challenge. All right, so the first one was called the whipped cream challenge. This is going to be the pillowcase challenge. So what you need is, where'd my pillowcase go? Oh. All right, so what you need is a pillowcase, okay? That's all you need, all right? Now, gotta have good balance for this activity, okay, and you gotta be quick for this activity, all right? So, what you're gonna do is you're gonna get into your pillowcase. It's basically just like a sack race, all right? Pretty simple, okay? But again, a lot of our challenges go for about 1 minute, okay? So I'm gonna set my timer for 1 minute. All right, now every time you get to the very end of your 10 feet, okay, that's 1. Okay, and then you're gonna jump back. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on, okay? So, I'm gonna set my timer here. I'm going to get into my pillowcase. Okay, again, if you're doing this, make sure to be careful and be safe, all right? So don't do it if you're next to something that if you fall, you're gonna hurt yourself. Or if you're going on like a hard surface floor, just be very careful. Like carpet would probably be a little bit better. Or if you wanna go outside and do it, okay, it's probably the better idea, all right? Here we go, ready? I'm gonna set my timer for 1 minute and see how many times I can jump. Ready? On your marks, get set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 1. That's 2. That's 3. That's 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. 16. 17. 18. Woo. 18. All right, I got 18 jumps. All right. So I'm gonna see if you can do that. All right, see if you can beat me with that 18. All right. Remember the trick when you're doing that pillowcase challenge, okay, is to jump on the balls of your feet. Remember when we were jump roping? Okay. I want to get my heels off the floor. Okay, I don't want to jump flat-footed. I don't want to jump flat-footed. Okay, I want to stay on the front of my foot, the balls of my feet, and jump just like that. Okay. All right. Pretty simple. Okay. Here we go. 3rd through 5th grade. Make sure you do those challenges. Send me those videos. Watch the Believe in You video. Answer the question and send it to me. All right. Have a good one. See ya.